Ahoy pilots, this is Chuck. If you're an instrument pilot, instrument student pilot, or a CFII, CloudAhoy will help your instrument fly debriefs. In this recurring training flight of an experienced TBM 700 pilot, he had done some air work, then he shot a precision and a non-precision RNAV approaches to the same runway. This can be seen in the altitude profile display. CloudAhoy analyzed the flight and computed the actual missed points. In both, the pilot was a few feet higher than the minima. I'm now adding CloudAhoy's 3D published approach. CloudAhoy tailors the published approach display to your specific approach, with its specific transition point, specific minimum, and optional missed. Magenta is used for the flight to the touchdown zone and green for the missed. Animating the actual flight, I can see that the pilot was at exactly 2000 feet at both the initial approach fix and the final approach fix, and that his approach was precisely stabilized. On the missed, the pilot climbed to 2000 feet, but his lateral track deviated initially from the published. Turning now to a flight of an instrument student pilot shooting a localizer approach. We can see that the pilot intercepted the localizer from the other side. At the final approach fix, it was 100 feet above, which is good, but the biggest problem, as can be seen from both the profiles and from the 3D path, is that after the final approach fix, the descent rate was just too low and the plane remained too high. In that flight, the CFII had asked the student pilot to take off his goggles and land the plane visually, and use CloudAhoy later to explain what had happened. CloudAhoy has more tools to help debrief your IFR flights. Check the IFR topics on the left and our other videos. You can always send us a question or a note to info@cloudahoy.com.